fashion climate crisis. How fashion industries are affecting climate change. Did you know that the fashion industry is responsible for up to 10% of global carbon emissions, surpassing the emissions from international flights and maritime shipping combined? This significant impact stems from the entire life cycle of garments, from production and transportation to consumer use and disposal. The environmental impact of fashion. In 2022, the apparel industry emitted approximately 879 million metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalents. If no substantial changes are made, this figure is projected to rise to over 1.2 billion metric tons by 2030. The production of textiles is both energy-intensive and water-consuming. For instance, manufacturing a single pair of jeans requires about 3,781 liters of water, emitting approximately 33.4 kilograms of carbon dioxide equivalent in the process. Fast fashion exacerbates these issues by promoting rapid production cycles and frequent collection launches, leading to increased waste and environmental degradation. This model often results in overproduction, with vast amounts of unsold clothing ending up in landfills. What fashion companies are doing to their environment? Shein's fast fashion model contributes to significant textile waste, as consumers often discard clothes after a short period of use. The fast fashion industry, including Shein, is implicated in microplastic pollution, as synthetic fabrics shed microplastics during washing and wear. Shein emitted 16.7 million total metric tons of carbon dioxide in 2023, more than what 4 coal power plants spew out in a year. H&M, as a fast fashion brand, has a significant negative environmental impact due to its large production volume, unsustainable materials, and the resulting waste. Greenhouse gas emissions generated by the apparel company H&M totaled just over 54.8 thousand metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent in 2023. Material innovation. Recycled fibers. Utilizing recycled materials, such as polyester made from plastic bottles, can significantly reduce the need for virgin resources and lower emissions. Organic and alternative fibers, opting for organic cotton, which uses less water and fewer chemicals. Or alternative fibers like hemp and tencel can lessen environmental impacts. Sustainable production processes. Implementing energy-saving technologies in manufacturing facilities can significantly reduce overall energy consumption. Companies can achieve this by investing in high-efficiency motors and variable frequency drives, VFDs, for machinery, which optimize energy use based on real-time demand. Additionally, heat recovery systems can capture and reuse waste heat from dyeing and drying processes, reducing the need for additional energy. Switching to LED lighting and automated lighting controls in factories can also lower electricity consumption. Furthermore, integrating renewable energy sources like solar panels or wind turbines can help power manufacturing operations with clean energy, reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Water conservation solutions. Adopting water-efficient dyeing and finishing processes can minimize water usage and pollution. One effective solution is low-water and foam dyeing technologies, such as air dye, which uses air instead of water to apply dyes to fabrics, reducing water consumption by up to 95%. Companies can also implement ozone-based bleaching systems, which require less water and energy compared to traditional chemical bleaching. Additionally, using digital printing techniques instead of traditional screen printing can significantly cut down on water and chemical waste. Rental and resale. Platforms like Rent the Runway and ThredUp facilitate clothing rentals and second-hand sales, extending the lifespan of garments and reducing demand for new production. Retailers can integrate in-store resale sections, such as Patagonia's Worn Wear program, which allows customers to return used items for store credit and resale. Brands can also use AI-driven pricing models to optimize resale value and increase consumer participation. Repair and refurbishment. Retailers can offer in-store repair stations like Levi's Tailor Shops, where consumers can get their jeans repaired or customized rather than discarding them. Brands like the North Face's renewed program refurbish worn products and resell them at a lower price, reducing textile waste. Online platforms such as Fixing Fashion provide tutorials on how consumers can mend their own clothes, extending garment life and fostering a repair culture. Supply chain transparency. Traceability systems. Companies can implement blockchain technology, like that used by Provenance and Textile Genesis, to track materials from raw fiber to finished product, ensuring ethical sourcing and adherence to environmental standards. Brands such as Stella McCartney use QR codes on clothing tags that allow consumers to scan and view the full production history of their purchase. Mindful consumption. Encouraging the purchase of fewer, higher quality items can be done through cost per wear calculators, which show consumers how investment pieces save money over time. Retailers can highlight timeless, durable designs rather than promoting fast fashion trends. Clear labeling. Companies can implement EcoScore labels similar to food nutrition labels, displaying carbon footprint, water usage, and ethical sourcing information. Some brands, like Allbirds, already display the carbon footprint per product to help consumers make informed decisions. Brands leading the way in sustainable fashion. Several fashion companies are actively implementing innovative strategies to reduce their carbon footprints and promote sustainability. Patagonia, a pioneer in sustainable fashion, Patagonia integrates eco-friendly practices across its entire supply chain. The brand utilizes recycled materials, such as polyester from plastic bottles and responsibly sourced organic cotton, to minimize environmental impact. Additionally, Patagonia's Worn Wear program encourages customers to repair, reuse, and recycle their clothing by offering repair services, trade-ins, and resale options. The company also donates 1% of its sales to environmental causes and is actively involved in advocacy efforts to combat climate change. Levi's, a leader in sustainable denim production, Levi's has significantly reduced its environmental footprint through innovative manufacturing techniques. Its water, less technology has saved over 4 billion liters of water since its inception, using up to 96% less water in the finishing process. Levi's is also advancing its cotton sustainability by sourcing from the Better Cotton Initiative and exploring alternative fibers like hemp, which requires significantly less water and pesticides. Additionally, the brand promotes circular fashion through its second-hand resale platform, encouraging customers to buy and sell pre-owned Levi's products to reduce textile waste. How consumers can help reduce fashion's environmental impact. Consumers play a vital role in driving sustainability in the fashion industry by making conscious choices in their purchasing habits and daily practices. One of the most impactful actions individuals can take is adopting a buy less, choose well mindset, prioritizing high quality, timeless pieces over fast fashion trends. Supporting brands committed to sustainability, such as those using ethical sourcing, recycled materials, and transparent supply chains, can also push the industry toward more responsible practices. Consumers can extend the life of their clothing by repairing damaged items, repurposing old garments, or participating in resale and rental platforms like ThredUp and Rent the Runway. Additionally, spreading awareness about sustainable fashion through social media, advocating for corporate responsibility, and demanding stricter environmental regulations can further drive systemic change. By making mindful choices, consumers can collectively reduce fashion's carbon footprint and promote a more circular, eco-friendly industry. To conclude, the fashion industry's environmental impact is undeniable, with textile production contributing to pollution, resource depletion, and waste. However, by embracing sustainable practices, companies and consumers can play a crucial role in mitigating these effects. The adoption of innovative materials, such as recycled and plant-based textiles, low-impact manufacturing techniques, circular economy models, including resale and recycling programs, supply chain transparency, and conscious consumer choices can collectively drive a more responsible and eco-friendly fashion industry.